Patricia Bath was a pioneering black doctor known for inventing the Laser Phaco Probe, a device that significantly improved cataract treatment. Born in 1942 in Harlem, New York, she developed a keen interest in science, encouraged by her parents. After excelling in high school, Bath earned a bachelor's degree from Hunter College in 1964 and a medical degree from Howard University in 1968. She became the first black person to train in ophthalmology at Columbia University. Bath was deeply committed to improving eye care for underserved communities. In 1976, she co-founded the American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness, declaring that eyesight is a basic human right. Bath moved to California in 1974, becoming the first woman faculty member at UCLA's Jules Stein Eye Institute. She also helped establish the Ophthalmology residency training program at UCLA-Drew. In 1981, Bath began developing the Laser Phaco Probe, completing it in 1986. This invention allowed for less painful, more precise cataract treatment and restored sight to individuals who had been blind for decades. She received a patent for the device in 1988, becoming the first African-American female doctor to receive a medical patent. Bath held 5 U.S. patents in total, including those related to cataract removal using ultrasound and laser technology. Patricia Bath passed away in May 2019 at the age of 76. In 2022, she was posthumously inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame, one of the first black women to receive this honor. Her legacy as a trailblazer in ophthalmology and a champion for equitable eye care continues to inspire. In 2024, the groundbreaking physician and inventor joined the ranks of the National Women's Hall of Fame.